become to adult and mature adult will change in the body, change color, like become to brown.
Now, are there any open-billed predators, birds or anything that eat open bills?
I think
not.
No, not.
They're the top of the food chain here.
Yeah, so like other prey of the bird, they cannot eat open bill. Yeah, because the big one, big stork, just eat on sometimes the egg or the chick. Yeah, but normally open bill, I think normally stork, they when they get to find the food for the baby, just are the ones waiting in the nest. They don't want to go all together, waiting in the nest because they worry about the bird of prey. They worry about like eagle, worry about the crow. Right. Yeah, if someone will got